Hey guys, it's Fuller Farm and I am down by the chicken coop. And we got a package in the mail today. I'm going to do a little unboxing of this Prodeli portable solar energy lamp. I was looking online for a light that we could use for the chicken coop. This has a little solar cell. At first I was going to buy a different one, but realized that one did not have a setting to turn off during the day, and I saw some reviews by people that used it for chicken coops that didn't like the light. This one had really good reviews for using outside with tents, for camping. They even have a picture of the tent on the package, as well as in chicken coops, which is what we're going to use it for. So we have Josie to help unbox. We could take a look at this solar light. Go and open it up. So there's our solar panel and the actual light, and there's the cord. And the light itself has a little hanger, which is kind of cool. So you can hang it from on the roof somewhere. And I saw in the reviews that actually several people bought these in Puerto Rico, where they're having all the power outages after the hurricane. Since they still don't have electricity in there, they're actually using these to light up their houses for an emergency. So again, you can use these for camping, chicken coops. You could even use them indoors for emergencies. So we actually bought 2 of these, one for our shed and then another one for the chicken coops. We're going to go ahead and get these set up. As you can see here, I've got the solar panel hooked up on the outside of the chicken coop, and then the wire actually runs all the way, goes in through the chicken wire here. I'll go ahead and show you on the inside. Alright, it's a little bit dark in here, but if you can see, the light is up there up top. It's got a red light blinking, just showing that it's charging, but it's just hanging up there on a wire above the chicken. There's the light when it's on. If you can see, it's getting pretty dark already, and it lights the chicken coop up really well. Looks great. If you've used a light like this that you like, let me know down below as well. Otherwise, I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.